Annual Credit Report Honest Review. Watch before using. AnnualCreditReport.com is the only platform authorized by federal law to provide free annual credit reports from all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The site is designed for individuals who want to check their credit status without paying hidden fees or subscribing to additional services. This makes it perfect for anyone serious about financial health, and whether you're applying for loans, managing credit scores, or simply staying informed. The process is straightforward. You visit the site, fill in personal details, and can instantly view your credit reports. One of the best features is that you get access to all three reports, allowing you to compare and cross-check for accuracy. However, it's important to know that while your report is free, it does not include your credit score. You can obtain that separately, but the report alone is enough to spot errors or fraud on your accounts. The user interface is basic but functional, with no unnecessary frills, which is a plus if you just want to get in and out quickly. A major pro is that there are no upsells or hidden charges. You truly get the service advertised. On the downside, some users report issues with identity verification, which can occasionally delay access to the reports. If that happens, you'll need to submit additional documentation, which can be frustrating. To summarize, AnnualCreditReport.com is an essential tool for anyone wanting to monitor their credit. It's reliable, free, and provides comprehensive credit information from all three major bureaus. But keep in mind, this is not a credit score service, and occasional verification delays can be a drawback. Overall, if you're looking to stay on top of your credit and financial health, this is a must-use resource.